I went to Checkers. I got spicy chicken sandwich. Burger King has the best presentation. This little sad shit. It's got lettuce, mayo, and bun. Got the fully loaded fry. That's great. They're not touching Zaxby's. Not even in the ballpark of Zaxby's. Before I tested all the cheese, 6. All that cheese dropped down to like 4.5. And a large splash blueberry raspberry. They ain't feel my shit to the top. Like, I ain't drunk shit. Now this though, I recommend that. Most fries just taste like fries. Like, you actually got some seasoning to them.